When a calisthenics athlete walks into a public gym, just wait for what's coming next. This guy shocked the girl in the commercial gym with his insane handstand on the bar. Guy performing muscle-ups in the gym, and the girl in the back is completely stunned. This beast is doing handstand push-ups on the bars, and the girl in the back can't take her eyes off him. Bro's aura is unmatched. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button.